So there is a wear and tear in one brake pad while the other one hasn't. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the common problems when people service the brakes. This is the brake caliper holder, these holders, and then there is a different right now. One we try to clean it already, the other one we haven't cleaned. Now I want you to see. This is the pin. The pin is supposed to slide like that, smooth, really smooth. Look at this one. It also slides really smooth. So if I try to lift the pin from here, or the caliper, the pin will go out. That's how it's supposed to slide. Look at this one. Look. And if I try to force it, it doesn't want to go out. So what happened there? It gets stuck up. Why does it get stuck up? They're using the wrong grease. For these pins, you should use a special grease. It's a rubber grease. So far that I know, here in the Philippines, we are the only ones using it in here. If you want to find it, you can contact us. What happens when the pin doesn't want to slide? The brake caliper will not slide, and then the two brake pads. This is the inner, this is the outer. The two brake pads, when they are making pressure like that, they will not be able to make pressure properly because only one stays here while the other one is making a lot of pressure. So there is a wear and tear in one brake pad while the other one hasn't. And that's a very big problem because you will have to buy the whole set. And then I'm gonna show you right now the difference between these two brake pads. Okay, look, this brake pad, you see the measurement? It's just only 12 mm. You can zoom it there. And then when you look at the other brake pad, look, what is the measurement? 13 mm. Now I'm going to lock this one. You might say, oh, 1 mm is not so much. I'm gonna make it visual for you. Look, this one is really stuck up in here. Look, it's just perfect fit. When I measure this one, look. That's how big the difference is. Now, you run the car like this for another 2,000 kilometers. This brake pad is going to be totally worn out to the metal, while this one is still okay. And you have no choice but to find the whole set. So there you go, guys. You know, the best way to care for your brake pads is to clean them properly. Sometimes you go to the mechanic and then you ask them, oh, I need to change for new brake pads. They change and they don't clean things, they don't lubricate it properly, and they don't lubricate it with the proper materials. So very important, proper materials. Number two, have it very clean.